Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in red. This truck is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful jet black leather seats. These seats feature heating in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black. Your steering wheel features controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, media controls, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for high beams, windshield wipers, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find your controls for drive mode and lights. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors. Power seat controls can be found on the side of the driver's seat. As we jump inside, we can take a look in the center of the dash at the media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google apps such as Assistant and Maps. Below, you'll find plenty of controls, as well as your climate control settings. Here, you'll also find 2 USB ports and heated seat controls. The center column features your gear shifter, cup holders, and center console, which features plenty of room for belongings, a wireless charging pad, 2 USB ports, and a 120-volt port. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find Bose speakers delivering crisp audio throughout. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these bright front headlights, the black front grille, as well as the black Chevrolet logo. Below, you'll find the gloss black bumper equipped with red recovery hooks. Below, this Silverado sits on gloss black 20-inch wheels. Along the exterior, you'll find plenty of black accents, such as door handles, mirror caps, and more. As we head towards the back, we can take a look at the spacious cargo area. Equipped with spray-on bed liner, LED lighting, and a 120-volt charging port. As we take a look at the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, USB charging, and cup holders in the back of the center console and center seat. Behind these rear seats, you'll find a power rear window. These seats contain in-seat storage, as well as storage below the seats, as they are split in a 60-40 bench fashion. Look up, and you'll notice the beautiful power sunroof allowing sunlight into the vehicle. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in red, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.